Hey guys, in this video I will be demonstrating to you how you can use the Stickies application on a Mac. Now the Stickies application is a pre-installed application that is available on a MacBook. So what you first want to do is open the Stickies application. Now you can do this by going through the Launchpad, or you can enter on your search bar. So let's enter in Stickies, and that's the first thing you will get. A sticky. So we can expand this out any way we like, vertically, horizontally, or diagonally. And let's start writing to it. So let's say I want to make a to-do list. So let me just label that. Now I want to make this font a little bit bigger, so I can just highlight it and press Command plus, or I can go under here on the font and press bigger or smaller. Next, what I can do is I can start adding items to my to-do list. For example, the first step is my first item on the list is, let's say, clean my garage. Now I want to put this in a different color, so I can go under font and press on colors. Now let's say I want to have clean my garage in a red color. There we go, it's a red color. Let's say I have another task I want to do. Clean my basement. Now I can also change the color of this one. Let's say I want to do this blue, and I can also put a bold to it. I can underline this, and I can italicize this. So that is what I can do with my as per my fonts and their sizes and their colors on the Stickies application. Now let's say I want to add a new sticky. Then I go under the file and press new note, or I can just press Command N and get a new note. And let's say I want to change the color of my sticky, so I can go under color and I can make this green, and let's say I can make this gray. I can have multiple stickies across my home page on my MacBook. I can also minimize these by pressing this button right here, and it also shows on top that's a to-do list. So let's say if that's a to-do list, this is a homework, and this is my school notes. No. Now I can also minimize this and minimize this, and then I will know which sticky to open whenever I need them. Now that should get you guys started on how to use stickies on a MacBook. Now that will be all for this quick tip today. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. Hope to see you guys in the next one.